Oh, I fell in love with the pandas. When I was in China in 2007, I was in Chengdu and we visited the panda sanctuary. So I have a fondness for pandas, and the detail around the eyes and the nose, even the colouring on the nose and the paws on the pandas were just gorgeous. And I felt sad not to take one home. And I thought, I can't carry this in my luggage. But I have one grandchild and I thought, oh, maybe. But it was a bit big and it would have been difficult, but they were beautiful. I haven't seen them so beautifully made like this before. Usually they're very much simpler, but these ones had all the beautiful eye detail and everything. They were beautifully done. I believe they were made from Australian wool. The outside is the wool. The fur on the pandas is made from Australian wool. It's Australian sheepskins. And New Zealand sheepskins. So there was a little bit of a link between our countries when I looked at that.